Well, this is something fun. Wendy's released a Dungeons and Dragons spoof it's actually good. That's a weird move. But you know what? Weird is okay. Weird is good. I wish more people would embrace the weird because it's the weird that will get you talked about. All it does is allow people to take part in the Wendy's brand in a way that they normally wouldn't. So as a small business, you don't have to go this crazy or this in depth. But if you give your audience a chance to actually interact with you instead of just constant preaching to them, you're creating an actual experience. And that's extremely valuable, especially in today's marketplace, because people don't want to have superficial interactions anymore. So I know it may be a little daunting, but think about ways you can make your business interactive instead of just active, I guess.